Hey guys, happy Monday. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, which means if we do Valentine's nails on our clients this week, they're going to be wearing them after Valentine's Day as well. So we got to find looks that would be really cute for Valentine's Day, but also still be wearable after the fact. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this look here, this like neon glow heart situation. Very on brand for Valentine's Day, but like a little bit rocker chic, a little bit punky, a little cool girl. This look could be Valentine's, it could be Galentine's, it could be like anti-Valentine's if you do broken hearts. There's so many ways you can play with this. This is a technique that I used to break out a lot, and I really loved it every single time because there's a lot of depth to it. So why not bring it back? The key here is layering and using the right tools. Let me show you what I mean. First things first, we're going to use our markers line neon pink and a short liner brush and just do two little mapping dots to start out here. This will be the center of the top part of our heart and the bottom. And we're going to create a curved M on the top and a little point on the bottom to make that center part of our heart before we join them. This is going to help us create a perfectly symmetrical shape, which is going to really mimic the look of a neon light. Thicken it out a little bit, and then when you're happy, we're going to cure that fully. Next up, we're using Pink Dragon, one of the most beautiful neon pinks. And using that same short liner brush, we're going to really go over that neon pink and go over the border to create that kind of glowy vibe that a neon light has. This gives us a really, really cool effect right off the bat. And when we are happy with that, it's looking nice and even all over that neon pink. We're going to cure this again. Now we're going to switch to our bluey white, and we are switching brushes to our needle liner, which is the thinnest liner brush in the Kokoist collection. And we're going to use this to do an absolute pencil thin white line over top of those two pink lines. Now, tripling up this design, this shape, really gives it that neon effect. You get the glow from the jelly, you get the pink kind of light bar effect, and then you get the white to highlight. You can do this a couple more times, add some more effects, change shapes if you want, and it gives you a super cool neon light effect. Really fun to achieve. Looks very cute for Valentine's Day, a little bit bad girl, a little bit punky, and you could totally wear this through the rest of February. So by layering three different colors and changing up your brush to get that super fine white line in the center of that heart, it makes this look really accessible. So as long as you can draw a heart, you can do this look too. And you can do it in a million different colors as well. It doesn't have to be pink. If you guys have any questions, comment sections down below, feel free to drop them in there. We'll do our very best to get back to you. As always, thank you for tuning in. I always appreciate it. And come back here in another 7 days for another episode of Monday Masters. Take care.